Hello and welcome. Today we're just gonna unbox a little SD card, a micro SD card. 128 gigabytes, the biggest one I have had so far. The Sandisk Ultra, 128 gigabytes. Class 10, UHS Class 1. So this is what it comes in, and well, we're just gonna pull this open. And it flies away. So of course we get this adapter for SD cards with it. And in it goes. And just to compare it a little, I have here my so far top of the line card, the also Sandisk, but Extreme, not Ultra. This one is class 3, UHS, and I think that's the only 64 gigabytes card I have. Other than that, I have multiple 32 cards, but the best of them, I think, is probably the Samsung Evo. So here we are, and now I'm just gonna connect this to the computer, and we're gonna do a little speed test. Figure out what speeds this thing has. Alright then, all we have on it is system volume information, and that's empty. And it is formatted with exFAT, of course, which is the standard for SDXC, SD Extreme Capacity drives. And we're going to do a little test with CrystalMark. So let's just get started. Alright, the first results are in. We have a read speed of 96, 10, 96, or 9. And the write results are in 74, 2, 66, and 2. Just to clarify, the first one is sequential, 32 queues, 1 thread. The second one is random 4 kilobytes, queues 32, and 1 thread again. Then we have just sequential and random 4 kilobytes. That's it for this card. I look forward to using it. I think nowadays I wouldn't get anything below 128 gigabytes. These things do last a while, and I think in 5 years you're gonna think of this like a 16 gigabytes card as opposed to an 8 gigabytes card. So enjoy boosting your phones and cameras, and I'll see you next time.